Weather message. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County in central Ohio, southeastern Delaware County in central Ohio, western Licking County in central Ohio, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Gahanna, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Tornado possible. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Heath, Grahamville, Pawhuska, Johnstown, Beechwood Trail, Grandville South, Summit Station, New Albany, Jersey, Alexandria, Hartford, Fredonia, Bus Route 62 at State Route 661, State Route 310 at State Route 161 and Center Village. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/film and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Licking, Ohio.
Hang in, guys. It's gonna get freaking brutal. There it is, guys. Let's see if I can get a close-up. Stepping on twigs and sticks. Right over here. I doubt you can see my hand. If you can see my hand, it's right over here. Wow, guys. I think we're about ready to get some boo crap. Oh, crap, guys. Absolutely amazing. Whoa. Oh. You know what? I'm gonna break this daisy chain. And I'll see you guys in just a... I'll see you guys in my next clip. Roll it. Okay, so guys, I have an update. It is 8:23 Eastern Standard Daylight Time. And, oh God. I cannot believe that it is actually getting ready to... We're actually getting ready to have a thunderstorm. I can tell, I don't think you can, but I can see a white kind of line right there. That means we're gonna have, it's gonna be bad. Why do I hear what sounds like a school bus? Huh. That's weird. Huh. Alright. I'll give you guys an update when it starts. Hang in there. Okay. We just got an emergency alert. From the National Weather Service. I don't exactly know what it is, but... You know what? Why don't I go into screencast and we'll do this live, shall we? Alright. Let's check this out live. Emergency alerts. I was right. Here it is, guys. Tornado warning. In this area till 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Take shelter. Alright. Let's go to Weather Channel. Alright. Alright. Tornado warning from 8:34 p.m. until 9 p.m. Eastern Sunday. It says the National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for central Licking County and central Ohio until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Beechwood Trails. Okay, how come they haven't set our sirens off yet? Well, you know what? Hang in there. Alright, so yeah, there you go. That's what we have going on. Apparently the rain is starting to come down. So yeah, guys, we are under a tornado warning. Wasn't that just pleasant? Yay! It's starting to rain! Here comes the rain again. Da, 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 da. And it's actually going to get colder. Wow. It's another thunderstorm, V20 style. Wow. I hear sirens, but they're not setting off any tornado sirens. Huh. $8.40? Yeah, it'll expire at 9. So far, nothing big.
Why?
And the sirens as they go off cause tornado warning. Whew. Tornado warning, yo. I'm calling this tornado warning V20 style. I'm gonna celebrate every moment I can with this V20. Oh, wow. Wow. Dang it. Whew. Guys, hang in there. I'm gonna go bundle up. It's cold. Yeah, the sirens actually just, went off. Oh. Yeah, apparently the temperature dropped. I am now wearing the proper attire to be out here. Nimble Christmas. It doesn't, at the moment, it doesn't appear to be doing anything, but, you know, they always say there's a calm before the storm. And the rain is gentle right now. Very, very gently raining. But at the same time, I mean, My mom said to just be cautious because of the 10-mile lightning. I say 10 mile because that's how far away it is. Alright. Hang in there.
Oh, I think we got tornado sirens. Oh, I bet there's gonna be a cold police howling at it.
I apologize for the headphone users right now. I apologize for you guys watching us with headphones. this that audio is gonna be brutal. All right, here we go. Whew. Dang. Oh. I think the sirens themselves are that way. Actually, let me get back under the light here so I can show you with a finger. That direction over there. I hear it. Ah. What? I hate repeating myself, but I apologize to you guys wearing headphones, man. This is sucking for you. Seriously. You guys have to hear that. Dang it. Okay, now that the sirens are fading down, while the sirens are faded down for the moment, the thunder that I heard was, I think, that way. Somewhere, right where I'm circling. I want to say it was over here, because I looked in that direction when I heard it. So that tells me the storm is coming up from behind the house. No, wait, it'll be coming from the southwest. So it's coming from that direction over there. It'll be coming from Beechwood Trails. Yeah. Whew. Gonna get brutal, yo. It's gonna get brutal. Okay, so the warning expires in 5 minutes. Yeah. We'll just see how this works out. they extended the warning. Oh, wow. There it is. The behemoth itself. Right here. You guys can't see it, but I can. Whoa. Do we have another new siren? Oops! I did not mean to do that. Oh well. At any rate, guys, I think that does it for this thunderstorm. It doesn't seem like, I guess, really nothing's going on. Except for just a little rain. Seriously, I think we lucked out. I think we lucked out. I mean, I can see some rain residue against the house. I mean, you can't see it, but I can. But there you go, guys. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon notification next to the subscribe button so you know when I upload a video the next time. Also, don't forget to drop a comment telling me what your favorite thunderstorm video is of mine, or really anyone else's, here on YouTube. So, I'll see you guys in my next video, because, I really don't see anything else going on. So, there you go, guys. Peace.
Wouch.
And Rosie end card. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to me. Don't forget to check out Twitter and Facebook. All the links are down in the description. Peace 25143J out.